This is part 2 of the functional programming videos. So the three concepts that I left behind that I didn't talk about in my previous video are functional composition, declarative style, and first class and high order functions. So what is functional composition? Functional composition is basically just instead of creating one giant function, creating multiple smaller pure functions that you then combine into like a larger program, basically. Then you have declarative style, and declarative style is basically instead of writing code on how a program needs to do something, you write code on what it needs to do. So you leave the details to the programming language itself. SQL is a very good example of this. So, for example, if you were to write an example of what is not declarative style, is if you had a loop or you had a list of variables and you wanted to know which variable was the highest, then you could write the name of the list and then dot max, or you could make a loop of that runs through the entire list, and then an if statement in that loop of if this is the highest, or if this is the highest number yet, then make this the highest number. This is also a way to do this. So yeah, that's declarative style. So now first class and higher order functions. First class and higher order functions is basically being able to use a function as an input of another function. So a first class function is an input of a higher order function. And then you could switch out what function would be the input depending on each time. So that's really convenient. So you could have function 2 would be multiply function 1 by 3, and then function 1 could be 2, or it could be 3, and you could input different functions there. Yeah, that's the complete functional programming guide.